Greetings, salutations. I've got Thumpers Quick Set Challenge lock here. We'll call it the Quick Challenge. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not. Yeah, my hand started hurting a minute ago, so I don't know. Rub some cream on it. We'll see what we make of this lock here. Hoping to get it picked open for you so I can open it up and show you what pleasantries he put inside. It gives me the most trouble, other than losing my tension. Let me try a different tension wrench. Let me try a slightly fatter one. Alright, let's try this now. Oh, there we go. If I can see that dang first pin. It's really high. Oh, come on. Come on now. Right around here. I feel like I'm really close, actually. Oh, there we go. And we're open. Rock on. Got it open. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. Alright, let's move some stuff to the side here. Alright, get this stuff over here. Get our pinning tray out. And then we need to readjust the camera so you can see what the heck I'm doing. Alright, is that gonna, yeah, that'll work. Alright. Tools. This key. Alright, let's get this clip off. Alright, clip off, put the key, well, okay, lock it back up, put the key in it. Follower here. Wrong one? Really? I didn't think so. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Alright. Let's look at key pin number 1. Key pin number 2. 3. 4 and 5. Alright. Where's my, there. Key pin number 1 is the prick. Look at this thing. Get it under the camera here. I don't know how well you can see it. You know what? I'm going to do that. Let me just get these all out, and then I'll bring the camera over and show you. These things are insane. Like, who would do this to a quick set? That's just what boggles me. My mind a little bit here. Oh, number 1. Spring 2. Come on. 2 standard. And a spring. A little messed up spring. Might have to change that. Number 3 is pretty serrated. Alright, and spring 4. almost looks like a regular spool, but man, not. Jeez, and that spring didn't want to come out. So number 5 is standard. Okay. And I'll just leave those springs in there. Doesn't matter. It looks like they're all standard springs, I think. Yeah, they're all standard springs. Nothing crazy there, but I'm looking up in here in the Bible. Let's see if I can get really close. Yeah, you see some threading in there. We got number 1, number 3, and number 5 up in the Bible are all threaded. Bastard. Oh, devious. What do we got here on the... Alright, on the... That's part of the goal. Number 2, number 4. I see undercutting on number 1, number 3, number 5 looks untouched. It might be threading there on 3. Definitely looks like undercutting on 1. Yeah, that's threading on the other, on the middle ones there. Damn. Alright, let me bring this closer here so we can see what we're looking at. Number 1 key pin. That is nasty. And then the driver pin. Number 2 key pin. Actually, I think it was this way. Or, I don't know. Actually, I don't know which direction that was in now that I think about it. Seems like it ought to have been down like that. Okay. Number 3. Oh wait, here's number 3. Look at that. That is nasty. Let's see if we can get that focused up there. Wow. And then this guy. Jesus. Somebody spent a lot of time on these pins for sure. Number 4. I don't know what you call that. Is that do you call that a spool? I don't know if you can. And then standard. I think this is what made it that easy to pick. That for sure. If we'd done something other than these standard pins, it would have made it a lot harder there. Not that it was super easy, but it didn't take me an exceptionally long period of time. So, anyway, that was fun. Thanks a lot, Thumper. I enjoyed that. And I will get that put back together for the next sucker. Or the... I don't know if we call them suckers or not. I guess not. Yeah, no, for the next guy for sure. That'll be fun. And... yeah, you've got me wanting to make my own challenge lock, so I'm getting my mind around on how to do that. Not sure who's going to get it, though. But until next time, don't pick anything that's not yours you don't have permission to. Later.